Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So before I start, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bells so you will be notified of all my upcoming videos. And so this hair is going to be by a company by the name of BestHairBuy. They sent me the water wave texture in a 16-inch and 150% density. So this is going to be a transparent lace. This comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and a 6-inch parting. So this hair also is going to be a Swiss lace. It does have like very small knots, but I still felt like I needed to bleach because up in the front where it is pre-plucked, you will be able to see the knots. And so to me, I still went ahead and bleached the knots, but in their saying in the description, it does say that you do not need to bleach, but to me, knots are knots and you will always be able to see the knots no matter how small they are. And so here I'm going to be parting, and this is going to be after I've already bleached the knots and co-washed the hair. I did go ahead and use my Lottabody foaming wrap and just to create some like little baby hairs, like some little swoops. And so the one thing I did like about this wig is the texture. I did like the density. I do think the density is 150%. Towards the end, I do feel like the density does start going to about 130%. It isn't full from the top to the bottom, but I do think that this is a good wig though, because as you can tell in the video, like this hair is so beautiful. Like I loved it. And so this hair is very super soft, like super duper soft. To me, I think it says that this is going to be a Brazilian, but it definitely feels like Malaysian or Indian hair. And so this is going to be, like I said, they're 13 by 6. It does start to become like a 13 by 4 once you get to the sidings. And here I'm just using a wrap after I went ahead and I laid it down. So I am, shout out to my subscriber who corrected me. I am a 385 in Fenty. Lord, I don't know why I said 485, but I am a 385. I am an NC50 in MAC. And so this lace literally, as you're going to see, it melts into my skin. I am wearing a wig cap this time because I did decide to go ahead and start wearing wig caps in some videos. Normally, I do not wear wig caps at all in any of my previous videos, but I wanted you all to get the full effect for people who decide they do want to wear wig caps. Now, as you can see, this lace has melted. This is going to be a glueless install. So this, being that this is a glueless install, this is definitely going to be a good wig for a beginner. Anyone who doesn't know how to customize, because I have to say this plucking is definitely on point. As you can see, this is literally melting into my skin. No, this is not an illusion. I was so impressed because usually you get the ones that say transparent lace. And yeah, they're transparent, but you will have to like use glue, or you'll have to use some type of adhesive. And let me tell you, this right here was bomb. I was so like, woo, I was so surprised. Like this reminds me of my Elva wig. I will link that, I guess, in the cards above. I know plenty of you have seen it, but this reminds me of my Elva Brazilian curly wig, and I was just like, yes, sis, like we have found another one. And so just imagine what it will look like if I had used glue, like what lace this. So here I'm just showing a close-up so you all can see. I did not do any baby hairs because I wanted you all to be able to see the meltdown with this wig. I am loving the curls and the pattern when it is dry. And so as you all know, I am very bad when it comes to these parting. I am looking through a small mirror and I'm trying to look through my lens and it is not working. So yes, my wig might be a little shifted to the side, a little bit crooked, but y'all know we still gonna slay some hair. And so here I'm using my KeraCare Waxstick that I always get from Amazon. I have had this stick for literally like 9 months. So this stick is still going, like literally. So even though these sticks might be about $15, $16, they are definitely going to last you about a year. And I'm using my hot comb from Amazon as well. I will definitely have those linked down below. So I am also going to be using this Lottabody. I'm going to be switching it up very soon. I always say that and then I forget when I start putting the product on to reach for my other product. But I will be showing you all another product that I love a lot. This texture, not texture, but this Lottabody foam, it kind of, you know, softens up the curls, but sometimes I want to go for that hard, crunchy look without it being too hard. So I'm going to be introducing you all a product that I love to use all the time. So here I have not used any water, and as you can see, the curls are already starting to pop with just using the foaming rack by itself. And like I said, this is going to be by BestHairBuy haircut. Why I say Best Buy? Lord Jesus, BestHairBuy. BestHairBuy company. This is my first time working with them. I am definitely loving this wig. Hopefully I hope to work with them in the future again. So yes, and then here I am going to be spraying some water on it soon. But I am 5'5", just for those of you all who do not check my description box. I am 5'5". This is definitely going to be a summer wig for when I go to Cancun, because honey, let me tell you, this wig is popping, especially with that lace. So you can also earn an extra 10% off using my code J, which is going to be JAY on the screen. And so let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. Do you think this wig is just like my elbow wig with the Brazilian curly? Oh, this wig is bomb. And so don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this for the future, and also my giveaways. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Pick up the phone and I'm calling. I fell in love with your body. I drop you